Home number 6 may have a best spot in the neighborhood. Located in Spanish Springs, this home will have you enjoying the sunset each day in mountain views and valley views. The big 4-bedroom, 3-bath home has a bedroom and a full bath on the main level, and other bedrooms with a bonus area upstairs. The kitchen features granite slab countertops and has a breakfast bar. It looks out onto the living area and is anchored by a fireplace and has large windows looking out of the oversized backyard. This 2,765 square foot home has a fully fenced yard and there is a paver patio. Someone just needs to add some water and watch the grass green up. The asking price is $259,000. If you would like to know more about home number 6, please call Julie Connect. Julie's number at RE/MAX Realty Affiliates is 78 RE/MAX.
Enjoy a San Francisco-style loft with a Southwest Reno location. Home number 7 has incredible upgrades, a unique design, and great location. The main living area features a fireplace, a half bath, and an open kitchen with granite slab counters and a deck off the dining area. Beautifully maintained and upgraded to include features like 2x6 exterior construction, tile entry in this 2,159 square foot home. Upstairs you'll find the 3 bedrooms and 2 other bathrooms. There's also an open area that leads to the low maintenance yard. This unique custom home has the asking price of only $315,000. Call Lisa Cook of RE/MAX Realty Affiliates for more information about home number 7. Call Lisa at 78 RE/MAX.
Clean inside and out. It's not always the case, but with home number 8 in Collin Ranch, move-in ready just took on new meaning. With a great location, this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home has a fresh feel all the way through. With new paint, clean tile, and carpets from the office to the family room with fireplace, you will love this home. Some other features found in this 2,536 square foot home include 2 fireplaces, tile flooring, and double ovens in the kitchen, formal dining room, and large windows in almost every room. This great home in a wonderful part of the school district is priced at $369,000, and it's not a distressed property. For a private showing of home number 8, please call the David Morris Group at RE/MAX Realty Affiliates. Their number is 78 RE/MAX.
Genuine hardwood flooring in the entry, the kitchen and tile in the great room of home number 9 gives this custom Field Creek home a look and feel of quality and elegance. Set on a lovely 0.56 acre cul-de-sac lot, this 3-bedroom and 2.5-bath features slate floors, custom touches like coffered ceilings. The kitchen opens to a family room and features granite countertops, a large island and dual ovens. A large master suite has a sitting area, fireplace, and opens to the backyard. This 3,026 square foot home has a great setting out back with paved patio, fireplace, and mature landscaping. It's priced at $518,000. Call Ardea Heinen at RE/MAX Realty Affiliates and ask her about home number 9. Call Ardea at 78 RE/MAX.
When you buy a home, you're also getting the neighborhood. Home number 10 in Collin Ranch is an impressive home in a great Southwest Reno neighborhood. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home is located on a corner lot with mature pines and shrubs for insulation. You'll notice a number of covered patios all around this custom home. Step inside and you'll notice the vaulted ceilings and dramatic formal dining room with wet bar. The easy-to-use kitchen has plenty of counter space and sits right next to the breakfast nook. Upstairs in this 4,091 square foot home is a second master, and there's also a loft with an office. Priced at $660,000, the enclosed patio is a bonus. For a private showing of home number 10, please call Gail Cornell at RE/MAX Realty Affiliates. Gail's number is 78 RE/MAX.